is an included remote in case you don't want to have to use your voice. So in the case, let's take a quick look at the Amazon Fire TV remote for our Amazon Fire TV Cube 2nd Gen. Up here at the top, you can see that is a microphone because right there, that is your vocal search or their Alexa searching. You press and hold that and you'll be able to search or operate your Cube using the remote in case the Cube is too far out of earshot. And keep in mind, because you are keeping this closer to a speaker, because it's by your TV, you might need to use this because the audio from your TV is drowning out your audio command. So this is actually fairly useful. Here we have our power button. This will allow us to turn on and off your TV set, not the Amazon Fire Cube, but your TV. Here we have a directional D-pad, which is cleverly hidden behind this circle option right here. We have our OK or select option right there in the middle. Simply click on that. It is not a touch enabled anything, it's just a button. Next we come back to our 30-second back. This is our home, brings us back to the home page. Here we have a hamburger button, extra options on some screens. It is not used on every screen, but you can tap on it to get extra options. Here we have our rewind, play pause, fast forward. And then a godsend on any remote that you're getting nowadays, you have a mute button, volume controls, which can control a soundbar, as you saw during setup, and a live TV button. So if you happen to have live TV channels on your Amazon device, this will bring you right to them in a nice aggregated format. So if you've got something like Pluto TV and Amazon TV, this button helps to group them all together. And then right here we have our dedicated who paid the most to be on the remote buttons. Can't change them, they're hard-coded. That will forever be Amazon Prime, go figure. Netflix, Disney Plus, and Hulu. Can't change that, but it's kind of standard on a lot of remotes now. You have the Fire TV branding right there. And if we flip our remote over, it's really thin, and that is partially due to the fact that it uses two AAA batteries down the center there. There's a little finger divot there, so while you're holding it, you have a place to kind of nestle your finger in. Up here, this is your IR blaster. Again, that's going to be how you interact with the TV as the remote itself talks to your Fire Cube via Bluetooth. The only downfall to the remote is it is a little slippery. You can see just from me holding it, it does look like it gets a little sweaty. Most remotes are going to be like that. It's a fault that I have with most of them. I wish that it was a little more tactile, but I get it. It wouldn't be as sleek and nice to look at if they did that.